Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Trello boards for projects, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Trello website. Log into your Trello account or create a new one if you don't have an existing account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Trello homepage. To create a new board, click on the Create New Board button. Choose a name for your board that reflects the project you are working on. Select a background color or image for your board if you desire. Decide whether this board will be private, visible to team members, or public. After setting these options, click Create Board. You will now see your new board in front of you. To start organizing your project, create lists by clicking on Add a List. Label your lists according to the stages of your project, such as to do, in progress, and cards represent tasks or items that need to be addressed. To create a card, click on Add a Card under the appropriate list and enter a title for the task. Click Add Card to save it. To provide more details, click on the card you just created. You can add descriptions, due dates, checklists, and attachments. Use the comments section for team discussions about the task. To organize tasks further, assign team members by clicking on Members and selecting their names. You can also label cards using color-coded labels for easy tracking. To move a card between lists as work progresses, simply drag and drop it to the desired list. To keep track of deadlines, regularly check the due dates you set on each card. For additional organization, consider using Trello's power-ups, like calendars or automation tools. You can enable power-ups by clicking on Show Menu and selecting Power UPS. Explore the options available and add any that enhance your workflow. Once your board is set up, invite team members to collaborate by clicking on the Invite button. Enter their email addresses to allow them access to the board. Encourage your team to update cards as tasks progress to keep everyone informed. Review your board regularly to monitor project status and adjust plans as needed. By following these steps, you can effectively use Trello boards to manage your projects efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.